In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an n8n automation that reads Amazon affiliate products from Google Sheets, generates AI ad copy, and publishes to Mastodon. First, here's the big picture so you know where we're headed. The workflow starts manually, sets a couple of configuration values, pulls a product from Google Sheets, downloads its image, generates short AI ad copy, uploads the image to Mastodon, merges the text and media, publishes the post, and then updates the sheet so the same item won't be posted twice. It's a clean, end-to-end loop designed for beginner-friendly affiliate automation. We begin with a manual trigger by clicking Execute Workflow in n8n. This is perfect for testing because it gives you full control and clear logs. Once it fires, it hands control to a set parameter node. In set parameter, store the Mastodon API endpoint and the access token you'll need later. Centralizing these values keeps your canvas tidy and prevents repetition across nodes. Keep tokens secure using n8n credentials. Avoid pasting sensitive values into multiple places. Next, the Google Sheets node fetches the next product to promote. Your sheet should include columns like Amazon link, product description, image URL, short link, and a send status. Apply a filter so only rows with send set to no are selected. That way, the workflow only picks items that haven't been posted yet. With the product in hand, the Get Picture HTTP request downloads the image from the image URL field. n8n captures that file as binary data, which is exactly what Mastodon expects. From here, the workflow naturally branches. One path prepares text with AI, the other uploads the media. For the copy, the basic LLM chain generates a concise, two-line technical ad. The prompt directs the model to analyze the product page, stay focused, and avoid filler. This node is powered by the next one in line, the Open Router Chat model, where you select the model, such as Perplexity/Sonar. The model processes the prompt and returns polished promotional text. On the media side, the Picture to Mastodon HTTP request uploads the binary image to the Mastodon media endpoint and returns a media ID. With both outputs ready, the merge node brings them together, combining the AI text, the media ID, and your tracking link so the final post has everything it needs. Now the Mastodon node publishes the post with the generated copy, the affiliate link, and the attached image. Once it's live, the Google Update node marks that row as send = yes, ensuring it won't be posted again. And that's the full loop. Fetch from Sheets, download the image, generate ad copy, upload media, publish, and update. Run it manually while you test, then you'll be ready to automate your affiliate marketing with confidence.